DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back DPS TeleClass. Kudumis is here to take a thematic lesson for grade 2 students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Before beginning today's topic, let's recite the dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Let's get today's topic. So let's watch a song and get today's topic. Students, are you ready for sing a song with me? Okay, let's sing a song. Living things grow, living things have cells, living things need air, living things need water, living things reproduce, living things can grow. A cheetah is a living thing, so me had it grow, grows, grows, grows. A cheetah is a living thing. A flower is a living thing, so me had it grow, 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 grows. A flower is a living thing. A bird is a living thing, so me had it fly, 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 fly. An eagle is a living thing, so me had it grows. Eagle is a living thing. Children, look at these pictures. Can you identify difference between living and non-living things? These are the things that are difference between living things and non-living things. Living things can grow, move, it can feel. Living things can breathe, can reproduce, and need water and food to survive. And also, living things can die. But non living things cannot grow, cannot move, and cannot feel, and cannot breathe, it cannot reproduce, and neither eats nor drinks. Don't die, either break or get damaged. These are the difference between living and non-living thing. Are you ready for the lesson? So today's topic is living things and non-living things. Now I am going to share learning intentions and success criteria. Today we are going to learn about living and non-living things. You will be successful if you can make a leaflet about living things and non-living things, and also understand at least 3 living and non-living things and their characteristics by completing the leaflet. Students, What is the living things? Yes, the things that are alive. Plants, animals, and human are living things. Living things need food, water, air, and shelter. Characteristics of living things. Living things can grow. A child grows into an adult. A seed grows into a plant. All living things can breathe and also can eat. Living things can reproduce and they have sense. Living things can move. Animals and human beings are walking. Birds can fly. Fish can move on the sea. Here are some examples of living things. Flower, parrot, zebra, fish, butterfly, crocodile, and gull. These all are living things. Student, what is a non-living things? Can you tell me any example of non-living things? Yes, you are right. The things that are not alive is non-living things. Non-living things do not move on their own, don't grow, do not need food or water, do not reproduce. Here are some examples of non-living things. Rocks, toys, ball, water, chair and table, sun. Non-living things do not need food, water, air, and shelter. These things, non-living things, do not need. Characteristics of non-living things. Do not move, do not grow, do not breathe, do not eat, do not reproduce, and do not have. Non-living things do not eat food, do not grow, do not breathe, and do not have babies. Here are some examples of non-living things. Ball, car, clock, and book. These things are examples of non-living things. Here are some examples of non-living things. toy, table, phone, cloud, and chair. Activity time. Students, let's guess which of these are living things or which are non-living things. You may tell, is it a living things or non-living things? A pen. Is a pen is a living things or not? Yes, it is a non-living things because pen cannot grow and cannot breathe and also cannot move on their own. It's why pen is a non-living thing. Fish. Fish is a living thing or not? Well done. It's a living thing. Fish is a living thing because of fish can move, grow, reproduce, and it can need water, food, and it also reproduce. That's why fish is a living thing. A house. Can you guess a house is a living thing or not? Brilliant. It's a non-living thing. Flower. Flower is a living thing or not? Of course, it is a living thing because of a flower can grow and die. Teddy bear. Teddy bear is a living thing or not? Well done. It is a non-living thing because of teddy bear cannot grow, cannot eat, cannot move on their own, and also cannot reproduce. That's why teddy bear is a non-living thing. Tree. Tree is a living thing or not? Of course, it is a living thing because of living tree can grow, reproduce, and it can die. Bottle. A water bottle is a living thing or not? It is a non-living thing. Tablet. Is it a living or non-living thing? Tablet is a non-living thing. Frog. Can you guess? Frog is a living thing or not? Of course, frog is a living thing because of frog can die, frog can move on their own, it can grow, and it can reproduce. Ball. Ball is a living thing or not? Well done. It is a non-living thing. Ball cannot grow and do not need any food to eat. That's why ball is a non-living thing. Zebra. Zebra is a living thing or not? Yeah, it's a living thing. Zebra can move, grow, and reproduce. That's why zebra is a living thing. Chair. Can you guess chair is a living thing or not? Of course, it is a non-living thing because of chair cannot grow, cannot move on their own, and no need to anything to eat and drink. That's why the chair is a non-living thing. A bird. A bird is a living thing or not? Excellent. A bird is a living thing. Bird can fly, grow, and reproduce. That's why bird is a living thing. Well done, students. Activity 1. The things that are alive called. What we call the things that are alive? Non-living thing? Is it correct? No. The things that are alive we call living things. Activity 2. Circle the living things. Ball. Is it a living thing or not? It is a non-living things. Bird. Bird is a living thing or not? It's a living thing. Bag. Bag is a living thing or not? Bag is a non-living thing. Dog. Dog is a living thing or not? Dog is a living thing. House. House is a living thing or not? House is non-living thing. Book. Book is non-living thing. Tree. Tree is a living thing or not? It is a living thing. Which object do we need to circle it? Bird, dog, and tree. Yes, right. Activity 3. Non-living thing can breathe, eat, move, grow, and have senses. Is it correct or not? No. The answer is no. Non-living things cannot breathe, cannot eat, cannot move, and cannot grow, and cannot have senses. The answer is students, it's time to do your task. In this lesson, you have to make a leaflet on living things and non-living things. You can use A4 size any color paper. In cover page, write living things and non-living things. And don't forget to write your name and class. In a leaflet, you may include short note about living things and short definition about non-living things. And also you may draw some picture of living things and some picture of non-living things also. And write the some of the characteristics of living things and non-living things. After finish your work, take a photo and send it to your class teacher through Viber. I hope you will enjoy today's lesson and understand the task. Thank students. I hope you will enjoy the lesson and do the task. Stay safe, stay home. Always wash your hand and wear the mask. I hope you all will see you soon, inshallah. Thank you. Bye.
DPS TeleClass